Let's see the second question of the Economics 2023 Waec. Okay. Now the question said, Table 1 below represents the output level of a firm producing hand sanitizer. Use information to answer the question that follows. We have Table 1, the output in units 0, 10, 18, 28, 36, 45. So if the cost function of the firm is given as C equals 30 plus 4Q, where C is the total cost and Q is the unit produced. Calculate A, the total cost in dollars of producing Roman figure 1, 18 units, Roman figure 2, 36 units. B, average cost in dollars of producing Roman figure 1, 28 units, Roman figure 2, 45 units. C, what is the marginal cost in dollars of producing 28 units? D, determine the profit made from producing 45 units when the market price is fixed at $5 per unit. E, determine the fixed cost of the firm. Explain your answer. Okay. Now, from this now, I want to prepare this question which related to the cost. We have done cost in this channel. Check in my description or I'll drop it up here in my YouTube channel so that you watch it. Okay. Now, said the cost function is given as this. So if we write the cost function is given as C equals 30 plus 4Q. Okay. So where C is the total cost, Q is the unit produced. I say calculate A, total cost in dollars when 18 units and 36 units is produced. So said when 18 units is produced. So we're going to substitute equals 30 plus 4Q. 30 plus 4. Our Q here is what? 18. So I have 30 plus 4 times 18 is 72. Okay, so 72 plus 30 is 102 $102. Okay, that is AI. So move to II. When 36 units is produced, we have C equals 30 plus 4Q. So we have 30 plus 4. Our Q is 36. So I have 30 plus 4 times 36 is 144. So 144 plus 30 will give us $174. Okay, $174. That is II. So we have B, average cost in dollars of producing 28 units. So our average cost, the formula for average cost is given as total cost over what? Quantity. Okay, so it means that we are going to first of all get our total cost before we can now solve for what? Average cost. So now the first one, when 28 units is produced, so what will now be total cost before we can now solve for average cost? So it will be the total cost function is 30 plus 4Q. So I have 30 plus 4. Our Q is 28. So I have 30 plus 28 times 4 is 112. 112 plus 30 is $142 as total cost. And therefore, our average cost is, total cost is 142 divided by our quantity is 28. So 142 divided by 28 will give us $5.1 approximately. Okay, so that is $5.1 approximately. So that's for BI. So we have II will be when 45 units is produced. So when 45 units is produced, now we have our total cost as 30 plus 4Q. So I have 30 plus 4, 45, and 30 plus 4 multiplied by 45. We now have 4 times 45 is 180 plus 30 is $210. Therefore, our average cost will now be 210 divided by 45. So 210 divided by 45 will give us $4.7 on the average. Okay, so that is for B. So let's move to C. To C. Now C, it said, what is the marginal cost in dollars of producing 28 units? What is the marginal cost? So we have our marginal cost. I remember the formula for marginal cost is giving us change in total cost over change in quantity, which is the new total cost minus old total cost over the new quantity minus old quantity. So they said, what is marginal cost in dollars of producing 28 units? When 28 units is produced, what is the marginal cost? So it will now be when 28 units is produced, our marginal cost equals the new total cost. What's our new total cost? When 28 units, we have solved for it. When 28 units is produced, the total cost is 142. So that's the new. So I have 142 minus the old. What will not be the old? Now if we check this graph table that was given, before 28 is 18. So 18 is old. So we're going to check when 18, what's the total cost? We have done it, 18. So look at this, 18 is 102. So 102 is old. Divided by new quantity is what we're solving, that's 28 minus old is 18. So we now have 142 minus 102 is 40 over 28 minus 18 is 10. So 40 divided by 10 giving us $4. Okay, so our marginal cost is what? $4. So that is for C. Now for D, they said determine the profit made from producing 45 units when the market price is fixed at $5 per unit. Determine the profit made for producing 45 units. So before we proceed, our profit, to get profit is total revenue minus total cost. And our total revenue is giving us price times quantity. Okay? While our total cost, they gave us a cost function. So it's 30 plus 4Q. Okay? They gave us the total cost function. So let's first of all get our total revenue, which is price times quantity. So what is the price? They said determine the profit from producing 45 units when the market price. Okay, so the price is $5 times our Q is 45 units. So 5 times 45. So we're having 225 as our total revenue. Okay. Now why the total cost? The total cost will now be giving us 30 plus 4Q. Remember that is total cost function. So I have 30 plus 4 RQ. They said when 45 units, so our quantity is 45. So we now have 30 plus 4 times 45 is 180. So 30 plus 180 will give us $210. Therefore, the profit, which is total revenue minus total cost, will now be giving us our total revenue here is $225 minus total cost is $210. So 225 minus 210 will give us $15. So our profit is $15. Okay, so that's for D. Now, why the last one, E? They said determine the fixed cost of the firm. Explain your answer. Now, the fixed cost from the firm. Now, remember, our fixed cost is the cost of an enterprise that do not change with the level of output. Okay, they remain constant. And we already know that our total cost. Remember, our total cost is a combination of fixed cost plus what? Variable cost. So the fixed cost at this point remains constant. Now let's check. If you remember our cost function, look at it. It is giving us cost function that was given in the question is, it said C is equal to 30 plus 4Q. Okay, so from this now, I'm explaining it now. From this now, we can see that our fixed cost is 30, while the variable cost is 4Q. Because remember, the variable cost is a cost that changes with the level of output. So this quantity here is determining the value of the variable cost. Because as the quantity changes, the variable cost will change. That is why there is nothing here. But this one, irrespective of the quantity, it still remains as this. Okay, so say that is our fixed cost is what, 30, because it is constant in this what equation here, in this function. It is constant irrespective of the level of this quantity, if it is either increasing or decreasing. Okay, so that is the reason why our fixed cost is 30. Okay, so that is how to solve this. Ensure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. So that is Economics Waec 2023 Practical Econometric question with section A. Okay, thank you very much. We have this video that can help you. Check it now and click and watch it. Thank you very much.